Suppose you reach into this dish and select a token at random. I want to know what is the probability that the token is round or it is green. And in yellow right here, I have the formula stated. What we do with the word or is we're adding them together, but we're taking away any of the overlap because we don't want to count something twice. So what I'm looking for here is the probability of round or green. So to do that, I need to find what is the probability of it being round, then I'll add to the probability of it being green, then I'll subtract the overlap. So what is this going to look like mathematically? The probability of it being round, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of the 9 pieces in that dish. The probability of it being green. So let's go ahead and count our green. So we got 1, 2, 3 green over 9. Then I have to subtract the overlap, and I want to know, well, how many things do I have that are green and round? So I'm going to subtract the 2 that are green and round, and then simplify this equation. When I simplify this equation, I get 6 over 9, which is a third, or 0.33, which is 33% chance, if I was to put my hand in there and grab something out, that I would get a round or a green token. You draw randomly a card from a deck of cards. What is the probability that you will draw a king or a heart? So I'm looking for the probability of a king or a heart. So that equals the probability of a king. I will add it to the probability of a heart. Then I will subtract the overlap of the king and the heart. So here's what it looks like. Probability of a king. Well, there's 4 kings in a deck, and there's 52 cards. The probability of a heart, well, there's 13 hearts in the deck. And then I'm going to subtract the overlap. Well, there's 1 card in that entire deck that is a king and a heart. When I simplify that out, I get 16 over 52. I can put that in my calculator and I get 0.308 or 30.8%. So either one of those is my answer. Again, I have a deck of cards, pull one of them out. I have a 30.8% chance that it's going to be either a king or a heart.